was born with the spirit of sin. That's why people call me the seer. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you see this particular video. It's your friend again, the seer. I'm here to tell you everything you need to know. Yes, everything you need to know, which is the most important of other things you are going to know. So listen and listen good. And I will advise you never to skip any part of the video so that you might not miss any important information, because that's exactly what the devil knows how to make people to do. He always makes you to skip when it's coming to important information, especially the one that is going to help you. So don't skip any part of this video. Watch to the end. Today, guys, I'm going to teach you a lot of things you need to know about spirituality. Now, the spirit that asks for 3 will never collect 2. Sometimes you must have been doing a lot of things and you will say, spiritual work is not working for me. My father has done this, he worked for her, it worked for him, but I did the same thing, my own is not working out. I don't know why spiritual work is not working for you. This particular video is for you. Today I'm going to tell you why and what you need to do. Okay? Now, what you have to know about spirituality is that the spirit that requests for 3 will not collect 2. And it's not all spirit that request for the same thing. That's one thing a lot of people that let me say a lot of spiritualists makes. Okay, because of they know that this particular thing is working for this thing, then they'll ask you to go and do it. No, that is not how it works spiritually. What you have to know is that maybe there's something now that maybe something's happening to you. They say do this, do that, do this, and it happens that your friend did it. Then it works. Then the person saw that it worked. Then you came, or maybe is aware that if somebody do this is going to work this, and the person now go ahead and ask you to do this. Let me give this instance. For example, maybe I post a video on how to stop a spiritual husband or how to stop a spiritual wife. Then you watch the video, then now you try it. Maybe it doesn't work for you. What you have to understand that in the spiritual realm, when a spirit requests for something, that you must give, no less, no more. When a spirit requests for 3, that is the 3 you will give. You will not give 2, he will not collect. You give 4, he will not collect. That 3 has to be that 3. And sometimes the mistake most of you has is when you are asked to do something, then you want an alternative for it. For example, you were asked to use a native sponge to bath. Then you are saying, can't I use a English sponge? I cannot get native sponge. I think it's going to work for you. A lot of mistake most of you have is this. You know that you have a spiritual problem, but you don't know exactly the problem you have. So you try applying different things, just like you are sick, but you don't know the sickness you have. Then you try using Panadol, using paracetamol, drinking malaria medicine, just taking different. Remember, each and every medicine has it has a particular illness it can cure. Paracetamol can cure headache. It does not mean paracetamol can cure it when you are purging. That is when you have diarrhea or when you have cholera. We have surgeons, we have gynecologists, we have different doctors. Okay, so maybe when you have maybe when it has to do with the issue of stomach, I will meet a doctor that specializes in bone. So so that's why you need the work. You need to know is here. So the problem you have, go and meet someone that can see beyond, not just somebody that knows medicine. I know that this medicine can come, because if the person cannot see the problem you have, he will end up giving you different medicines, of which might not even be the medicine for your sickness. So before you apply anything, make sure you see a seer, talk to a seer. You should be able to know the problem you have. That's why before I do any spiritual work for anybody, I will first of all have to go to the root, know where the problem is coming from, know what the problem is. From there, I should be able to give the right solution. Yes, there's a particular medicine that cure. I know that there's a particular medicine that cure malaria, but we have different companies, we have different products that cure malaria. So also in spiritual range. So if you are doing work for anybody, maybe I know that this person has malaria, for example, and just say, or maybe I know that this person from the family, that's where they are disturbing him. So I will do the work in 3 different maybe apply like 3 different medicines. And once you have to know that the spiritual controls the physical, so also the physical controls the physical, the spiritual. I come again, the spiritual controls the physical. At the same time, the physical controls the spiritual. Now, it is what you give in from the physical that the spiritual will go and process and give you. I've been mindful of what you see, especially when you're doing the spiritual work.